Hello guys, welcome to yousitrades, and today's topic is about Hcmc. For everyone that's new to the channel, welcome. Today is completely about Hcmc, but before I go on to that, Hcmc is part of the OTC market, which are the over-the-counter or off-exchange trading is done directly between two parties without the supervision of an exchange. So those who want to buy Hcmc, I'd highly recommend you to buy from exchanges such as Trading 212 for those who are in the UK. For those who are in the US, Fidelity is quite a good exchange to buy it. Today, IG Markets has halted trading for AMC. If you guys know about yesterday's hype was about AMC. Um, it would just make investors mad. That's the damage done. AMC will skyrocket on Monday, just letting you know that. Anyway, today's topic is HCMC. We'll cover AMC later in the next video, so please like and subscribe if you can. You can't buy AMC, CTRM, and GME on the Robinhood platform. Those who they claim that they are a commission-free stock trading and investing app for the people. If you heard the news, they stopped investors from buying huge amounts of these stocks, GME, and then after AMC, you do the math. So, anyways, what is HCMC? HCMC, they are Healthier Choices Management Corporation. So, if you can see here on home, they own a few food and health supplement stores. So they were founded in 1985, and their headquarters are based in Florida and the US. And so HCMC provides e-liquids, and what they do is they provide vaporizers as well as provide consumers with healthy alternatives. They also own 9 vape stores. You can see it here, and they are over, you know, they're over the market price of 89 million. So if we have a look on trading view, so those who have it, it's on 89 at the moment. So if we run that on, it's actually 96, most up to date. So refresh that, it's on 84 actually. So it was before on 94, and now it's on 84. So let's go into depth on the charts first. At the all-time high, HCMC reached about 0.0014. So we have a look on the horizontal line here. That's about almost. So 0.0014 was the all-time high, and now the current price is about, we look in here, 0.009. So they have over 105 billion shares at the moment. Their current ask price is about 0.009, with a market cap of the 84, as I've been told. Their volume is actually quite huge at the moment. Huge. So they're now reaching up to more than 13 billion worth of volume. On January the 27th, which was actually 3 days ago, on Wednesday, their all-time high was 0.0014, and a lot of shorters came in and took profit. You could see they opened trades here and they closed here, so that's quite a lot, which brought down the price to about 0.009. Right, can it go above that? It's clear to say that a lot of people will be investing into HCMC due to the current court problem between Philip Morris. They are getting sued about patent copyright issues. So we'll be talking about that thoroughly in a while. So what is going on? HCMC has a pending lawsuit with Philip Morris. So Philip Morris, if you haven't seen, I'm going to type it out now, is an American multinational cigarette and tobacco manufacturing company with products sold, and they sell their products in over about 180 countries. So if we go into Philip Morris here, and this is them right now. Their share price is about 79.65. The last time I saw their share price was about 81 to 82. Looks like they're 2% down from the current market due to the 26th of February. Probably not a lot, only down by 2%. However, if you haven't noticed, which I've noticed from other sources, that they have completely changed their website. So I want to show you their website before. So this was their website before. It's currently loading. Looks completely different from their website now. So this is their website now. So you go on pmi.com, and that is their website. Very, very new, completely new. The last time I saw their website, it was completely different. Now, the reason why Hcmc are suing Philip Morris, so we're going to go completely in. We're going to go into the facts. So the lawsuit claims that Philip Morris is infringing Hcmc's patent rights in connection with the IQOS. So the IQOS is one of those tobacco, the e-tobacco. If you haven't seen it before, I'm going to show you now. It's on their Healthier Corp. This is their file document. So if you go down, this is what the IQOS looks like. And that is what they are suing due to the patent. Completely, completely thorough with their patent, a lawsuit against Philip Morrison. So they are suing because of their developed manufacture import offer for sell and instruct customers how to use heat not burn tobacco system offered for sale and sold. This is the tobacco stick that you can see as of now. Right. So they filed a suit on the November the 30th, 2020 regarding patent litigation lawsuit brought against Philip Morris. So defendants have committed and continue to commit acts of infringement directly or indirectly with this district state of Georgia. So they went completely, it's just thoroughly in depth on the patents, the IQS start guide, user guide, and it looks completely just in depth, and you could just see how the IQS was first designed. So the lawsuit, so this is the product they copied, yeah. Philip Morris, well, is responsible for the IQOS. So I wanted to say that Hcmc is not the only company that is suing Philip Morris. Philip Morris has their hands dirty right now, completely dirty. So this is not the first thing. If you've seen on some other companies such as BAT, they are a tobacco company, so that's what BAT is, and RY Reynolds, they also are a tobacco company as well. They literally sued Philip Morris completely over their patents. So I'm going to show you now. So you can see it here. Completely says it here. So this is what the RJ Reynolds Tobacco Company. They are suing over patent infringement action currently pending in the Eastern District of Virginia. So then again, I'd have to say there's about 3 or more companies also suing Philip Morris. So Philip Morris does have their hands dirty at the moment. But does this stock drive, the Philip Morris drive our stock Hcmc right up over this lawsuit? Well, I completely agree, and it is going up due to this lawsuit. But we don't know on the 26th of February that whether they will win or not, but they do have a strong case. However, they can counter sue. That is what people need to know, is that Philip Morris can come back around and say, no, we should not pay this much because this and that, because we did not infringe, this is already painted as somewhere else also. So Hcmc, which is our main our main investment at the moment, are also defended by Cozen O'Connor. If you know, this is a law firm, international law firm, and they are also, uh, they were good. They have a really good track record. They are always on. They're always on a high revenue at the moment. They are on 472 million. So they are an excellent law firm, and they were founded in 1970. If you haven't heard, they win suits from for large firms, and you should have a look at their uh, law firm at the moment. They're always winning multi-billion dollar transactions as well. There's quite a lot of interesting information about Cozen O'Connor. They do have a good track record, and they are here to defend HCMC over Philip Morris. So the stock went up about ooh, 10x, and is a winner for those who entered at 0.001. Like myself, I did enter, and I put about £36, and it just went up. It just went over £300 profit at the moment, £400. It's not bad. I mean, I always got good risk management at the moment, but I do I will be investing more. Absolutely will. Until their lawsuit on 26, Philip Morris will respond, and we're going to hear about RJ Reynolds and the Back Company, which are the British American Tobacco Company. So they are sued. They are suing Philip Morris too, and there's other patent infringement action currently pending by those two companies, not only HCMC as well. So the Bat Company, actually, they think they have a strong case on winning. They also said if we win, we may be able to get an ITC exclusion order blocking the importation of IQOS. So that means Philip Morris will not be able to distribute or sell the IQOS e-tobacco product because it's way too copyrighted into the US. And unless they take a license to our patent, so unless Philip Morris wants to pay for the patent, then they could, because it will cost them millions, and they are not in that position to do so. So that's why their law firm, that's why they are in court. So the international law firm O.C. Connor, which is the Cozen O'Connor law, has been engaged to represent them. So do you think they'll win? Write in the comments below and subscribe if you can. But if you think they win, they look like they have a strong chance to win. But there are speculations that HCMC will go above the $1 mark. Actually, their share, that the amount of share circulation is way too huge. I mean, you'd be surprised to see. You wouldn't be. Well, I'd be surprised to see $1. Not only 0.10, but we'll all be millionaires from now. But you've got to look into how much they make money. What are they losing quite a lot of money? Are they changing? There are also speculations of HCMC going into the Amazon, tapping into the Amazon market and selling their products. That would also be a good reason why to invest in HCMC also. Their balance sheets shows their liquidity positions, strong cash, 8 million in cash, nearly 82% of total current assets is cash, and 10 million current. Their liabilities are way too high at the moment. You can see total liabilities and stockholders' equities about 13 million, 11 million. So their total liability outweighs their assets at the moment. So they're not making much money. They are still in a current loss. And that is to say, are they going to change? If they do, then we are in a win-win situation. But lastly, I do want to talk about the hype on the HCMC. So if you go on StockWits, now, oh my god, the last time I saw it, it was actually 7,000 watchers, and now we are heading towards a 20,000 mark. Actually, anywhere above that is perfect because that would drive the stock even way too high. on the current compared to the current price. So you can see this guy says finally got the exposure it deserves. I hope a lot of millionaires are made soon. We need 10,000 watchers to beat. It's way too hype. I mean, if you could see on Reddit, there's a lot of posts where people are commenting on real life. What do you think? Where are we going? Honestly, I think we're going to the moon. But in reality, there is a slight uh, less chance of it getting to $1. Let's be honest. It won't. It won't really, because I mean we'll have to get a lot of people in, a whole army to buy those, gazillion shares they have. It's just a overstatement. But then again, we are there. I mean, luckily I entered quite low, but then again, it's not too late for you to enter. Yes, it's not too late, and I'm saying this as of now. We'll wait to the 26th of February. Hopefully they will win, but there is a strong fighting chance, as in based on the facts, the figures, as well as the lawyers involved and the whole written documents. We have not heard a single word from Philip Morris. They are outbeaten, they're outweighed. But yes, guys, tell me what you think. Cheers. See you. Thank you for watching, by the way.